my very first question would be, how important is the role of a BA in any project? So what is, in your opinion, is...
Yeah, Shazid, the BA role is very critical in every project and organization. I must say it's even before the project, if the project is not approved, it's an opportunity. At that point of time, I see BA as a very critical role. So for me, being a project manager, I will, handpick the first person. The BA would be the first person I will pick in my team, because he is the guy or the girl who will work on the project and analyze the project and interact with the different stakeholders to understand their problem statement, or maybe it's not a problem, it's an opportunity. So sometime project came into being like due to some problem statement, but most of the time there are opportunities which a business analyst can understand and drill down, and they can work with the different stakeholders and try to understand their point of view and convert their business requirement into to functional requirements and non-functional requirement. So I must say BA is very important. I have worked with 4 to 5 different organization, and they are from medium to large scale. In every organization, there is a very critical and important role for BA. So I have always worked along with the BAs in every project.
So do you think like we should increase the involvement of BAs in the life cycle or the software development life cycle, either it is a waterfall or agile method? So do you think that we should be increasing their role? Because currently in typical organizations, they are only they are only part of the projects for requirement gathering, and after that they are just removed from the project. So what is your opinion about that?
Yeah, I think rightly said, it's a common misconception that BA role is just requirement gathering and document things, but the BAs have very broad domain, as I said earlier, that they should be involved at the stage of initiation, so the scope can be properly locked and the agreement could be done properly, and there should be no scope creep in the later on stages. And I can see BA role in every phase. Like in planning, they can help project manager. In the development, they can help developer to understand the requirements so they can implement it properly. In QA, they can help to detail the test cases and help them to execute the test cases and see whether they are performing test cases in the right way. Is there any gap? Is there any requirement gap? And later on they can help the organization. It could be client, it could be your organization. If it's an internal product, then they will help the internal stakeholder. If it's a client, external client, then they can help in the UAT trainings and further on go live. So at the end, they will they are the ones who will show them that this is your requirement and this is the implemented product. See, we have implemented 90%, 95%, because you see, no project is 100% complete. There is always chance you will miss 10 to 20%. So if you achieve 80%, most probably you will get the sign off and client would be very happy.
Correct. That's a very good, insightful news that you have from your own experience. Yes. So what is the BA role as per IABA? They are basically change enablers, which are defining needs and recommending solutions, and they are articulating those needs. As you rightly said, these are the guys who are involved strategically as well, and these are the guys who are the backbone of any project, because from the day one they are involved in they can be involved in pre-sales, then business analysis, then testing as well, and then UAT as well. So they can perform all these actions, and they are like all in one kind of a guy there. So absolutely rightly said by Adam. Thank you very much. So as per the survey again, so these are the top areas which around the world globally, the BA things that they are currently involved in. So if you see, they are majority of the BAs are involved in business analysis, but you can see other areas as well, like they are also involved in project management. They are also involved in training, as you said, and testing as well, technical design, Scrum. So all this states that BA's role is growing, and people and CIOs and CTOs are more depending on this role in order to perform or make a project success. Right? Thank you.
And even Shazib, just to add, after this COVID, almost this rate is doubled, because everything is coming online. You can see more e-commerce store and more online transaction, more digitalization. Correct. So business analysis is an important part, I think. So absolutely, I must say, so right. The people on this forum must focus on this domain and try to polish them if they are already working, and if they are new entrants, they should opt for it.
Absolutely right, 100% right. Yeah. So now the next